Right, hi everyone. Today is the 10th of December, and yeah, let's talk about the market. So yesterday, right, the market actually closed lower. Basically, all the three major indexes in the U.S. market actually closed lower, right? With Dow Jones Index right closing down by close to 1%. Right, and our S&P and Nasdaq dropping by about 0.7%. Right, so let's take a look at the charts. Right, so clearly we are still in a downtrend. Right, and the closing candle, right, on Friday, the closing candle of the Friday is a red candle with a long top wick. Right, so this suggests that there's actually weakness in the market on Friday. Right, let's take a look at the hourly charts. Right, let's take a look at the hourly charts. So you see, we held on for the entire day, and during the last 2 hours before closing, Wall Street decided to actually push the market down. Right, back to the support level. So it really depends on how the market will play out next week. We still have a gap over here, right, down to 37.50. So still remember the day that the market suddenly popped out more than 3%, right, because of some market data, right? So probably I believe that the market will actually go down and close the gap. Right, that's my personal bias. Right, not asking anyone to follow my call or not. Actually VIX also suggests that, right, the market may sell off to cover the gap because we are very close to the uh, bottom channel of the VIX, right, at about $19-20, right? So if the market actually drops down to about 37.50, I believe that VIX will probably go up, right? I'm not sure whether it will hit the $35 region again, right? But when VIX actually increases, right, uh, it's a good sign for all those like long-term investors like myself, right, to actually get into the market and actually pick up some shares. Right, personally I will pick up like some S&P 500 index because for now, right, I don't want to actually speculate. Right, I want to uh, have more time in the market, rather than timing the market. Right, when the market actually comes down selling, when people starts buying, right, and VIX starts declining, right, it's when you sell. Right, so probably this mantra will still work for this year lah, right? Buy when people panic, um, sell when people are comfortable, right? Personally, I hope that the market will decline so that I can pick up some more shares, right? However, right, I'll also be happy, right, if the market actually starts moving towards the upside. Let's take a look at the Nasdaq, right, showing similar stuff, right? All trading in a downwards channel, right, and the candle all looks similar, right? It's still pretty bearish, right? Sorry about that. Yeah. Still looks quite bearish lah, right, in a way. Let's take a look at the hourly. Right, so market had been pretty much holding up for the entire session until the closing lah. Which can be a very strong indicator on what the Wall Street actually wants to do next week lah. Let's take a look at hourly chart. Weekly chart. Right, you see it's a big long red candle. Right, big long red candle. So yeah, I think it's better for us to actually see how the market react lah. right? Currently, it's also near this. Currently, we are in December, and currently, um, it's well known for its center rally, right? But yeah, don't know whether it will happen this year, right? Maybe sell off into the new year. We don't know. Okay, but statistics actually shows that for most of the time, right, market will actually uh, okay move up, right, during this period. Okay, let's take a look at the dollar index DXY, right? So usually, okay, when the market is weak, right, when the market is weak, people will move out of shares, right, into the US dollar, right? So yeah, let's take a look. Okay, so this US dollar had been in an uptrend, okay, for close to a year and a half, 2 years. Okay, um yeah, in the long term trend, the yellow line, okay, we are theoretically still in the uptrend, right? But if we look at the pinkish or reddish line over here, right, yeah, we actually broke out, right, broke down, right, from the uptrend. So yeah, currently we are also at support level, right? So uh, actually the market is pretty indecisive right now for the dollar index. So personally, I'm a bit bull bias, right, because of the low VIX, right, and the seemingly weak market performance this week, right, in the US market. So yeah, personally, I'm a bit more bull bias, okay, for the dollar index, right? So next, Asian markets again. So yeah, in my previous video, right, I actually mentioned, okay, that the Hang Seng Index, right, was performing very well for the past 30-40 days, a month and a half, and had increased by about 36%, right, within such a short span of time, right? For an index to move up by so much, okay, it's a very incredible feat, right, over such a short period of time. It's an incredible feat. So we will see how the market actually react, okay, the next week. So if we happen to break above, okay, the 20,000 resistance level, all right, up towards the 21,000, okay, I'll look for an entry, right, into the Hang Seng Index, or Hang Seng Index related stocks, right, um, when there's a retracement back to maybe about 20-ish thousand, right, then I'll go long and probably hold, right, and yeah, see how things goes, right? If the sentiments are still very positive, if there are still positive news coming out of China, right, I will actually continue to hold on. Otherwise, okay, I will actually sell into the resistance at about 22,500, right, and wait for market to tell me, okay, to give me more signals, right, before I re-enter into the market and hold for the long term. Personally, I'm actually very long bias, right, for China, right, for Chinese stocks, okay, because okay, they are the second biggest economy, right, as everyone should know lah, right, and yeah, there are still a lot of room for them to grow, right, over the coming periods. But yeah, no one knows for sure, right, because there are also many regulatory things, right, in China that may affect the stock price lah of China in the long term, right? Nobody knows what will happen. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching, right? I hope you guys can subscribe to my channel and allow me to grow my mini community for me to practice my public speaking, right, by talking about the market, right? So yeah, thanks everyone. Yeah, have a great weekend ahead. Bye bye.